This tiny white egg on a clover leaf belongs to a common blue butterfly.
A baby caterpillar hatches and eats its eggshell for its first meal.
At first, the caterpillar is small, green, and well hidden.
As it grows, it eats clover leaves to store energy.
When it is ready, it forms a chrysalis close to the ground. Inside, the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. A beautiful blue butterfly emerges and gently opens its wings.
It drinks nectar, finds a mate, and the life cycle continues.